NFT is certainly a new sensation buzzing all around the world. Many NFTs are valued at millions of dollars, but one particular NFT has gathered attention because of its high price. That's right, the MetaBoy number 4522 NFT is being priced at a whopping $2.1 billion, or simply 2 million Ethereum. At the moment, MetaBoy NFTs stand as the most famous assets listed on the storefront. What is MetaBoy? Why did the creator list this NFT, MetaBoy number 4522, as the most expensive NFT of all time? Stay tuned to find out all the answers. First up, what is MetaBoy number 4522? NFT is certainly a new sensation buzzing all around the world. GameStop's NFT Marketplace is now live, and as many expected, the prices are over the roof. According to research, there are about 10,000 NFTs which are correlated to MetaBoy. Considering that MetaBoy NFTs are new to the market, the result is yet to come and there is not much information available on this topic. MetaBoy NFTs are exclusively obtainable on the GameStop NFT forum. People who are interested in purchasing assets can get them using Ethereum's ETH token. It has been reported that all the originally listed assets of MetaBoy on GameStop have been bought since its exclusive launch. Any ongoing sale would be relisted by new customers. If a MetaBoy NFT is bought, then it may be sold for a high price in Ethereum. It has been observed that NFTs worth billions of dollars are being relisted. Although there are some speculations, it's yet to be confirmed why the NFT is priced so high. This NFT costs more than thousands of other NFTs by MetaBoy. Next up, what is GameStop NFT? GameStop Corporation is a video game retailer and has stepped up its game by entering the world of NFT. It's also the world's largest game retailer and trade-in destination for Xbox, PlayStation, and Nintendo, along with accessories and consoles. It's creating a new NFT marketplace where NFTs can be sold and purchased. It's released a beta version of its non-fungible token marketplace. It's proving to be a hit for JPEG collectors, having accomplished over 5,000 Ethereum, which is around $7.2 million in trading volume. Moreover, the new GameStop platform is Ethereum Layer 2 based on its custodial, meaning that players have full control over their assets but cannot recover their accounts if their login information gets stolen. The GameStop gained popularity when its shares ascended to new heights during the pandemic, giving a boost to the meme token phenomena. The launch of the GameStop NFT Marketplace was one of the greatest events lately in the crypto world. In May, GameStop released its crypto and NFT vault, which briefly pumped its stock price. People have been reacting to Marketplace NFT quite positively. GameStop started to gain popularity in late January. In February, GameStop stock price doubled within 90 minutes time frame. GameStop was helped by many meme investors, and now it's valued at $1.78 billion in cash. The game retailer is reinvesting its money to improve its tech and fulfillment. Yet, the company still has to prove that it can succeed after having losses for 3 years. So why is the MetaBoy number 4522 NFT listed at such a high cost? It is conceivable that MetaBoy might have just ridden the GameStop NFT acceleration to accomplish this mega success. As far as pricing is concerned, the MetaBoy NFT number 4522 is set by the creator of the piece rather than GameStop. It might be intriguing that the MetaBoy collection is one of the first collections found on GameStop, which was already a high-in-demand video game merchandiser. The GameStop gained its popularity when its shares ascended to new heights during the pandemic, giving a boost to the meme token phenomena. The launch of GameStop NFT Marketplace was one of the greatest events lately in the crypto world. Before this, GameStop had launched a crypto vault service, and there are chances of more products and services based on Ethereum's blockchain. Next off, what are the most expensive NFTs of all time? While MetaBoy NFTs are listed at a high price, there are many NFTs listed by other sellers which have sold for a fortune. Here are some of them. As the fourth most expensive NFT, we have CryptoPunk number 5822. Featuring a blue bandana, the alien-style NFT was sold for $23.7 million, or 8,000 Ethereum. Being one of only 9 aliens, it was set to sell for a high price. It even came to being one of the most expensive NFTs at that time, but lost by a few $1,000,000. The third most expensive NFT, Beeple's Human One, is a one-of-a-kind NFT. It was the first ever physical NFT by the artist. Both the NFT and the electronic structure went up for auction as a single. Later on sold for $28.9 million, or 4,700 Ethereum. Keeping in mind that the huge sales that Beeple makes every day, there were many people who were unsure of what this new and evolving digital masterpiece would auction for. Julian Assange and Pax Clock NFT became the second most expensive NFT ever, sold in February of 2021. The NFT displays a timer that counts the number of days Assange has spent in jail. While staying anonymous, Pac has still become one of the highest-grossing living artists in the world, sold for $52.7 million to Assange DAO, whose main mission is to fight for the freedom and justice of the WikiLeaks founder. The most expensive NFT of all time is Beeple, The First 5,000 Days. The piece, The First 5,000 Days, was also one of the most famous NFTs NFTs of all time. The event created a snowball effect throughout the mainstream media, and they carried the word NFT into homes around the world. It sold for $69.3 million, being around 38,525 Ethereum, which left many people in shock. After Beeple had been able to sell the biggest NFT of all time, it was clear that the time for NFTs had come. So what is all the hype about? The blockchain revolution is here to stay. Centuries down the line and fast forward to today, our idea of perceived value keeps changing and evolving. Now, it's digital and on the internet with records distributed on the network for everyone to verify which is unique. Imagine being able to see for yourself without any discrepancies in details how valuable artifacts like the Rosetta Stone or the painting Mona Lisa by Leonardo da Vinci were. Passed down or purchased by whomever from one century to another, it will be so amazing and too valuable since the authenticity and history of ownership down the years could be verified. Before you go around buying NFTs, let me warn you, always make sure you do your research on any project, study the trends in the space, and do your diligence. It should be importantly clear that some of these influencers hyping up a project are just in it to make money and exploit their fans, since nobody will be held responsible. You'll be left to bear the brunt of your irrational behavior. Always make sure to watch the trends and invest accordingly. Next up, are the NFT prices currently increasing? Sales of non-fungible tokens jumped to more than $17 billion in 2021, according to a new report from NFT data company nonfungible.com. The study, developed with BNP Paribas-owned research firm L'Atelier, said that trading in NFTs hit $17.6 billion last year, reflecting an eye-watering 21,000% surge from 2020's total of $82 million. NFTs are tradable assets that keep track of who owns a certain digital item, say a work of art or a video game avatar, on the blockchain. They entered mainstream consciousness in a big way last year. A token representing a collage by digital artist Beeple sold for a record $69 million at a Christie's auction, while popular collections like the Bored Ape Yacht Club have lured celebrity buyers from Jimmy Fallon to Snoop Dogg. We've seen exponential growth over the past year, Gauthier Zuppinger, co-founder of nonfungible.com, told CNBC. Nonfungible.com's number for total NFT transactions in 2021 is lower than some other estimates. An earlier projection from blockchain analysis firm Chainalysis put the figure at more than $40 billion. Zuppinger says that this is down to the company's methodology for measuring legitimate volumes of NFT trades. The nonfungible.com data rules out transactions involving bot and wash trading. While proponents believe NFTs to be a valuable way of proving ownership of digital content, critics say the market has attracted predatory behavior. Participants are often encouraged to speculate on prices, and there's evidence emerging of their growing use for money laundering and other nefarious activities. One thing is clear, the craze is far from over. NFTs are just in their early stages. As time goes on, mainstream adoption will be off the roof. There's also going to be a series of corrections before it finally settles and becomes regulated. If you're brand new to NFTs and you're still learning what they are and how they work, you should continue learning about blockchain, cryptocurrency, and NFTs before making any immediate decisions. What do you think about MetaBoy? Would you buy it if you had $2.1 billion lying around? Make sure to let us know your thoughts below. And thanks for watching.